Hello students, today we will do the exercise of the lesson, the enormous turnip. Children, the exercise is very easy. You can do it easily. So let's find out the answer of these questions. Question number 1 is, what did the old man plant? बूढ़े आदमी ने क्या बोया था? है ना बेटा? द आंसर इज वेरी easy, and from the very first line we can find the answer. An old man planted some turnip seeds. Okay, so the answer is the old man planted turnip seeds. Okay, बूढ़े आदमी ने शलगम के बीज उगाए थे. The next question is, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? बूढ़े आदमी के लिए शलगम को बाहर खींचना क्यों मुश्किल था? Okay, and the answer will be clear from the line. He could not pull up the enormous turnip. Answer is, it was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip because the turnip was very big. बूढ़े आदमी के लिए शलगम को बाहर खींचना मुश्किल था क्योंकि शलगम बहुत बड़ी थी. Question number 3 is, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? बूढ़े आदमी की किसने मदद की बड़ी शलगम को बाहर निकालने के लिए? किसने मदद की थी बेटा? Look, an old woman, a boy and a girl. Okay, the answer is an old woman, a boy and a girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. बूढ़ी औरत ने एक लड़के ने और एक लड़की ने उसकी मदद की बड़ी शलगम को बाहर निकालने में. Okay, and the last question is, who ate the enormous turnip? बहुत बड़ी शलगम को किसने खाया? बेटा, the answer is very easy and it is clear, very clear. An old man, an old woman, a boy and a girl ate the enormous turnip. Okay beta, now let's do the exercise. First is, name and draw 4 vegetables that you have to be pulled out from the earth. Now name them in your own language. Beta, you have to draw 4 vegetables in these boxes and name the vegetable you have drawn. Okay, you will draw. Okay बेटा, यहाँ पर आपको 4 वेजिटेबल्स ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके, और उनके नाम भी लिखने हैं आपको. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक द सेकेंड. हाउ मेनी वेजिटेबल्स कैन यू फाइंड in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. Okay बेटा, you have to find out the vegetable from this maze and circle them. Here the circle is drawn by me. Peas, beans, turnip, carrot and tomato. Okay, now let's see the next. A game of opposites. Okay, The entire class can be divided into two groups where one group says one word and the second group says the opposite word. Here the words are given and you have to write the opposite of these words. Okay. आपको opposite words लिखने बेटा, विलोम शब्द बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में, तो opposite word लिखने हैं आपको, जैसे pull, push, black, white, true, false, right, left, or you can write wrong. Okay beta. Now let's see on the page number 31. Let's write, how do you like to eat these vegetables, raw or cooked? Okay beta, here you will write how do you like to eat these vegetables. Okay, raw or cooked. आप vegetables are given. Okay, यहाँ पर vegetables दी हुई हैं और कॉलम बनाए हुए हैं raw and cooked and you have to mark a tick. Okay, जैसे अगर आपको कैरेट खानी है, कैरेट आप कच्ची खाना पसंद करोगे या पकाई हुई? Okay, it is depends on you. So you will do this exercise. Okay. Now second is name 4 vegetables you ate last week. Write their names here. Okay. आपने last week में कौन कौन सी vegetable खाई थी? Okay. For example, I have written here potato, beans, ladyfinger and bitter gourd. Okay beta. Now the next page, on page number 32. Look here beta. Complete these columns, one and many. Okay beta. Beta, you have words are given here and you have to write the plural form of these words as carrot, carrots, turnip, turnips, onion, onions, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. Okay beta. Next is one word in each of the following sets is different from the others. Circle the odd one out. Beta, group of words are given here. Okay, and clues are also given. You have to circle the odd one out. Okay, look, turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, brinjal. But beta, turnip, potato, tomato, carrot and brinjals are vegetables and sunflower is a flower. So circle the word sunflower. Okay. Next is cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo. These are the name of animals. Okay. Melon is a fruit. So you have to circle the word melon. Okay. Next is banyan, neem, peepal, mango, snake, apple. Okay. These are the name of trees and snake is a reptile. So you have to circle the word snake. Next is rose, lily, sunflower, lotus and cauliflower. These words are the name of flowers. Okay. And cauliflower is a vegetable. So circle the word cauliflower. Peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker. Peacock, parrot, crow, woodpecker are the name of birds. Okay. And lizard, you have to circle the word lizard. Okay. The exercise is finished now, beta. Okay. Watch the video again and do the exercise in your textbook, beta. complete your book. So that's all for the day, beta. Now we will do the question answers in fair notebook like me. Beta, first write the page number, then on first line write unit number 3, chapter The Enormous Turnip. Then on this page you will draw the picture of a turnip. Okay, now come to the next page, write the page number and date also. New words and meanings. Enormous, huge, बहुत बड़ा. Turnip, a root vegetable. जड़ वाली जो सब्जी होती है ना, शलगम, उसे हम टर्निप कहते हैं. हेल्प, टू असिस्ट, सहायता करना. पुल, टू प्लक, खींचना. सीड, यूनिट ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, बीज. ओके, देन राइट द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर इन नेक्स्ट लाइन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डिड द ओल्ड मैन प्लांट? ओल्ड मैन ने क्या बोया था? द ओल्ड मैन प्लांटेड टर्निप सीड. बेटा, आपकी राइटिंग बहुत सुंदर होनी चाहिए. जैसे मैंने आपके लिए लिखा है, आपकी राइटिंग वैसे ही होनी चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाई वॉज इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर द ओल्ड मैन टू पुल अप द टर्निप? And the answer is, it was difficult because the turnip was very big. Leave the next line blank, beta. Then question number 3, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? And the answer is, an old woman, a boy and a girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Okay, and the last question is, who ate the enormous turnip? And the answer is, an old man, an old woman, a boy and a girl ate the enormous turnip. Okay beta, the chapter is finished now. That's all for the day. I hope you understand the exercise. And all the questions are very easy beta. You can learn it easily. But at first you will complete your book, textbook and your fair notebook. Okay. So that's all for the day. Goodbye.